Okay, so for this first reading, our question is, in the text, it claims that once an invasive species has entered an area, the damage is irreversible, even if they are removed. Which quote from the reading supports this claim? All right, so it looks like we have four quotes here, two from slide 3, and then two from slide 4. So it looks like one from each section. All right, so let's read through these. So when these plants come to a new place, they can take over. They can cause damage to their new environment. Okay, that kind of sounds like it would support this claim. It says the claim is that once they enter an area, the damage is irreversible, even if they are removed. I'm actually going to highlight this claim so I don't forget that's what I'm looking at. All right, so this is a possibility. Maybe let's put our circle by it because we're thinking maybe. And the second one says, in the study, Tequila and Barney tracked 4 types of land areas or plots. That doesn't really seem to give me much evidence. That just kind of explains what their experiment was about. So I think that one's a no. For C, it says, however, it can do a lot of damage. Stiltgrass greatly shapes its environment. It creates an understory. Okay, so this one's also talking about creating damage, but I'm not sure if it's saying anything about being irreversible or about being removed. And then the last one, once an invasive plant starts taking over, it is hard to stop it. Simply kicking out the invaders can cause even more change for the native plants. Okay, so they have this phrase here, kicking out. So that is making me think that they're talking about removing. So I kind of think, so this, once an invasive species starts taking over, it's hard to stop it. Kicking out the invaders can cause even more damage. So the damage is irreversible even if they are removed. I think that that one is going to support our claim a little bit better than the first one, even though the first one does say they cause damage. This last one is showing kind of how it's reversible, even if you remove the plants.